22nd of July. Recently a bit of busy. There's a lot of work. Yeah, a lot of work need to be done, and yeah, most of them are editing work. So just stay inside my office and do all the editing stuff, and of course some other stuff as well. What I'm gonna do today is actually last week, Fast Food Friday, I supposed to try this fast food. It's a new release in Malaysia, but it seems like I'm just too busy to do that, so I never got a chance to try it. So yeah, I just want to try this. Let's try it. Yeah, it's Burger King. Itu double pun bagi juga.
Double.
Satu double, satu salmon.
Double satu salmon. Makan bungkus.
Bungkus. So this is it. Today I'm gonna review two menu from Burger King. Actually in the same category, but one is fish, the other one is chicken. Yeah, I can eat a lot actually if you look at my size. Okay, let's do it. Roll the intro. Burger King, here I am. He's a bit slow just now. Yeah, I've been waiting there for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But at least I confirm this is fresh meat. So this is it. The two Mentaiko, if I'm not mistaken, if I pronounce the name correctly, it's called Mentaiko. So this the fish and this the double chicken. Which one should I try first?
Eventually.
Okay, I'll go for fish. Keep here. Okay, I'll try the fish. This is the limited Burger King menu. It's a salmon Mentaiko, Hokkaido. I don't know what's the difference. Yeah, I don't know what is so special, but I can smell some salmon taste. Yeah, the sauce is pretty nice, so let's try it. This is a fish. See, the meat here is pretty thick. Yeah, so this is about 10 ringgit plus minus, so it's kind of worth for me. Yeah, it's kind of worth it. See, you look at the meat. Look at that. Okay. It's pretty thick, so for those of you who like it, you can go and try it. Yeah. There's some cheese, so this is pretty not bad. As a burger, as a salmon burger. Just look at the meat. Look at the meat. The meat is so thick. This is all the fish, the salmon. That's right. This is actually pretty not bad. I believe it's kind of fresh. Although I don't know how to judge whether the salmon is fresh or not, but it's tasty, nice. The taste, it's pretty not bad. I'll give it. Maybe I give it after this. So this another menu. Same category. This is chicken. With the same sauce, same. What's again? Mentaiko, whatever. Okay, it's kind of the same sauce, but with with double chicken. So try this. This double chicken. Let's do it. This is the double chicken. For me, the chicken is like the normal chicken patty from Burger King. It's not bad, pretty good. It's even thicker. I'm kind of full right now. Yeah, but I'm gonna finish it. I know I can. Hey, focus! You just look at the thickness, you should know what I mean. Unlike the brand, the M brand, yeah, no comment. Ooh. Last bite. So I've tried this, and for those of you who are subscribed, here's the link. Like and share it. I'll do the review and maybe slightly comparison between these two. Maybe in this. Okay, so here's a review for this Burger King Salmon Mentaiko. There's two type. One is the salmon with one piece of patty, and the chicken with two double chicken patty. And yeah, okay. I'll rate it one by one. I'll start with the salmon fish. For this salmon fish, it's kind of fresh. For me, it's kind of fresh. Although I know it's a patty, but the meat, like what I showed just now, is nice. I will rate it maybe 7.5 or even maximum until 8, but not more than 8 because that is not that special, but it's delicious. For those of you who like to eat salmon or maybe salmon burger, you can go and try it with this price, 10 ringgit. I believe it's kind of worth it, and with the taste is. And for the double chicken mentaiko, I'll rate it maximum 7.5. Not because it's not nice, it's delicious as well, but there's nothing special. It's just similar like the previous chicken patty with double patty, and the limited time the salmon mentaiko, the sauce. Other than that, it's just like the previous Burger King. Nothing special. But for those of you who like to eat a Burger King chicken patty, you can go and try it with new sauce. So basically, I would say in this way, Burger King never really disappointed me before. Yeah, thank you Burger King. Among all the fast food, Burger King is actually in my top list. Yeah, because it never disappointed me. So that's all for my review. 7.5 for the salmon, up to 8, and maximum 7.5 for the double chicken. The sauce is kind of mash the chicken as well, so you should go and try if you like the Burger King chicken patty. Yeah, that's all for my review. And for those of you who are new here, remember to press the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like it and share it. I'm on my way to the 1,000 subscriber. Thank you.